Hey YouTube, this is gonna be an unboxing of my Meffert'S package I just got. Now I know that at least two of you, or maybe one of you, know that I got this. So yeah, I said I was gonna make this video today. Okay. So I think I ordered 5 items. I'm pretty sure. It's kind of bad not to know how many you ordered, but yeah, it's 5. I remember now. Can find a good place to. Okay. Wow. So you'll see what I get. Okay, I got a Tetra Minx, which is basically a pyramid without the tips. Let me go and I'll just open that later. I got a 48, which is a number 4, the letter D and the number 8. Not 4-8, but 4D8. So I've always been wondering like how this turns. And supposedly it's both the 3rd and 4th dimension, or something like that. I think it means 4th dimension 8 pieces, or 4 pieces are the 8th dimension. Wow, that feels really nice. A little stiff, but I mean, I'm sure it'll get broken in. Oh, you can't turn that all the way there. It's really nice. It's almost like Eachine plastic, which is good quality. So there's a 48. Now I got a real floppy cube because of this one's like obliterated, I guess you could say. So here's like a real Japanese one, not a Chinese knockoff one. So oops. I really been wanting to see how good a real one was. Don't want to mess up the box. Here. There. Huh. How to trick it open? Oh, so that's pretty neat. Like, see, it's like made for a store shelf. Like when you pull that up. So it's like for shipping and then for store. That's pretty neat. So I guess they sell these in some store in China or Japan. Okay, here we go. These are always hard to open for some reason. So that's all that's in there. Well, it already feels better than this one. Let's see, it comes with a booklet. It's in Japanese. Well, I can't tell the difference between Chinese and Japanese, but since this is Japanese, I'm assuming that it is written in Japanese. Okay, so it's, well, I don't want to turn both because that might snap that, but it's like the Void Cube color scheme. It's pretty good. It's already noticeably better. Okay, here's the Parastar, which is like the two Paramorphicses put together. So it has all like the star kind of pieces. The opposite of the Octastar or something like that. So it's like the same thing, kind of. Let's see how it turns. Well, I noticed that the opposite colors are the same, so I guess that's how you know it's solved. That's a good sign. It's pretty stiff, but like the Paramorphics, I'm sure over time it will break in. Cause mine's like really good now. So this is gonna be hard. I could already tell. A little dirt on the sticker, cause I don't know what that is. Probably some kind of glue. Let me go ahead and open this one. So I might like solving this better than the Pyraminx because it's like doesn't have these unnecessary tips on it. And the tiles are really big. Like, you see that? They're like maybe 2 millimeters tall. We'll see how it turns. Whoa, that's crazy. It's like a good cube almost. I was never able to do that finger trick on a regular Pyraminx, but already I could kind of do it on here. Wow, that's like fantastic. Really nice. Now I got one more thing. Try to guess what it is. It's something that these two have in common, and it could turn inside out. So, okay, now you done guessing? Okay, I'll get it. This is a brain twist. I've always been wanting one of these. I've always wondered how they work and how you would solve them, because you have to solve them inside and out. So let's see. Not hard to turn, but let me see. Heard these need breaking in. What's neat so far, it's like that. I'm sure I'll get used to it. Oh, there. Yeah, I'll get it broken in and make another video. Has no logo. Or maybe it's like inside out or something. And it comes with a book. And has 8 colors because it's 4 inside and then 4 outside. So this is my unboxing video of 5 new cubes. None of them's a cube. This is a cuboid, but thanks for watching.